Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing well, and enjoying their life. Dear viewers and lovely subscriber, today in this video you will see very pretty, fabulous, and outstanding women's spring and summer's side toe buckle strap matte leather block heel sandals designs ideas. Hopefully viewers you will like all of the video and collections about leathers sandals. Dear viewers, if you like these collections of leather sandals, then also please like my video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more designs. Dear viewers, you will wear all of these leather shoes in different occasions, like in parties you can wear in office, and also you wear as a casual to emphasize your beauty.